Good morning, students. I welcome all my dear students in the online lecture. Students, so let us begin with our subject English. Myself, Miss Pooja, I am going to teach you the subject English of Standard 2nd. Students, are you all ready for learning the subject English? So, in our today's online lecture, we are going to start with a new lesson, a new topic from our English Bal Bharati textbook of Standard 2nd. So, I request all my dear students to open your English Bal Bharati textbook of Standard 2nd. Students, are you all ready with your English Bal Bharati textbook of Standard 2nd? So, students, also remove your combined book, Navjeevan term book number 2 and carry a pencil in your hand for referring our today's online lecture. So let us have a look to our index page. You can see, students, we are studying Unit 2 and in our today's online lecture, we are going to study lesson number 2.7, Let's Speak. So students, in the previous lecture, we have completed our poem, that is Friends Forever, and in our today's online lecture we are going to study lesson number 2.7, Let's Speak. So students, just open your page number 27 of your English Bal Bharati textbook. Students, open your page number 27, chapter number 2.7, Let's Speak. Before starting the lesson, before explaining the lesson, let us know the meaning of the lesson and what is there in the lesson in short. Students, our lesson 2.7, Let's Speak. What is the meaning of the lesson Let's Speak? Let's Speak means in this lesson we are going to learn how to speak. You can see in the picture a teacher and students. So in this lesson we are going to learn the conversation between a teacher and students. A teacher in a class and students. So, students, in this lesson, the teacher has given the students to make some snacks activity and the students are speaking with the teacher. The teacher is asking the questions and the students are answering to the questions asked by the teacher. So students, in this lesson we are going to study about how to make bhel. Now bhel, every student enjoy eating bhel. Yes or no, students? Yes. Bhel is a snacks and it is a light snacks with the puffed rice that it is called as kurmura, and you all know, and most of the time your mother might have prepared at home for you all, and it is very easy to prepare. So in this lesson we are going to learn how to prepare bhel. The teacher is telling the students to make bhel in the class. Now in this lesson each students are bringing ingredients from their home to prepare bhel. What is ingredients, students? Ingredients means they are bringing different things which is required to make bhel, prepare bhel. So students, I am going to show you the image of bhel. You can see, and then you will come to know that this lesson is really very interesting for y'all. And I know that most of the students will also try by their own at home to prepare bhel. So let us have a look to the some pictures of bhel. बच्चों, आज के लेसन नंबर 2.7 लेट्स स्पीक मतलब आओ बात करना सीखे. तो यहाँ आप देख सकते हो पिक्चर में टीचर है क्लासरूम में और वो स्टूडेंट्स से कह रही है भेल लाने, यानी कि उनको क्लास में भेल बनाना है. तो सभी बच्चे अलग अलग इंग्रेडिएंट्स यानी सामान लाएंगे जो भेल बनाने के लिए ज़रूरत है. तो आज हम सीखेंगे कि किस तरीके से भेल बनाना है और टीचर स्टूडेंट्स से क्या क्वेश्चन कर रही है और स्टूडेंट्स उसका आंसर किस प्रकार दे रहे हैं. सो स्टूडेंट्स, let us have a look to the pictures of bhel. So students, this is a picture of a bhel that you eat at your home, or also when you go out you purchase from the market. It is a street food and also snacks, a light snacks, and every students enjoy the bhel. Yes or no? So here are the ingredients that we required to prepare bhel. बच्चों, ingredients यानी कि सूची. यहाँ पर जो सामान आपको दिख रहा है, ingredients मतलब जो सामान आवश्यक है, ज़रूरत है भेल बनाने के लिए, वो सारे सामान का इस्तेमाल करते हुए हम आज भेल बनाने सीखेंगे. Students, you can see how refreshing, tempting, and I hope so by watching the pictures, the water in your mouth has come. Am I right? Yes, as I know that this is a delicious snacks, but students, let us make more interesting by studying the lesson. So let us start with our lesson. So students, now let us see on the page number 27 of your English Bal Bharati textbook. I am going to read you can see in the green color circle the words said by the teacher and the words said by the students, and also I am going to explain you. So students, kindly pay attention till the end of the lecture how to make bhel. Let's make bhel. Now in the first picture the teacher is saying, children, let's make bhel tomorrow. Who would like to bring kurmura, puffed rice? In the first picture you can see the teacher. What is the teacher saying? The teacher is saying to the children that students, tomorrow we are going to make bhel in the class. Who would like to bring kurmura? The main ingredient to make bhel is kurmura. बच्चों, फर्स्ट पिक्चर में टीचर बच्चों से कह रही है कि बच्चों, कल हम हमारे क्लास में भेल बनाने वाले हैं, तो मुझे बताओ कि कौन सा बच्चा कुरमुरा लाएगा घर से। कुरमुरा मीन्स पफ्ड राइस। बच्चों, कुरमुरा को कहते हैं पफ्ड राइस। इंग्लिश में उसका नाम है पफ्ड राइस और हिंदी में उसे कहते हैं कुरमुरा। सो स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ लेट अस सी द सेकेंड पिक्चर of the student, a boy saying I would like to bring kurmura। बच्चों, अब सेकेंड पिक्चर देखो। बॉय ने अपने फिंगर्स अप किए हैं और वो कह रहा है कि टीचर, मैं कुरमुरा लाने के लिए रेडी हूँ। नाउ अगेन द टीचर इज आस्किंग टू द स्टूडेंट एंड हु वुड लाइक टू ब्रिंग फरसान। अब टीचर स्टूडेंट्स से पूछ रही है कि फरसान कौन लाना चाहेगा। फरसान स्टूडेंट्स, फरसान यानी नमकीन इन हिंदी, इंग्लिश में फरसान, हिंदी वर्ड भी फरसान है। फरसान यानी स्नैक्स होता है, नमकीन होता है, सभी बच्चों को पता है फरसान, तो वो भेल में यूज़ किया जाता है। तो टीचर इज आस्किंग हु वुड लाइक टू ब्रिंग फरसान। Now the girls, you can see the girls are raising their hands. Two girls, and the one girl is raising the hand. Teacher, I would like to bring फरसान। आप देख सकते हो पिक्चर में दो गर्ल्स बैठी हुई है टीचर को फेस करते हुए, और उसमें से एक गर्ल ने अपने फिंगर्स अप किए हैं, उठाए हैं और कहा टीचर, मैं फरसान लाने के लिए रेडी हूँ। Now you can see the next picture down. What are the other things needed to make bhel? अब टीचर बच्चों से क्वेश्चन पूछ रही है कि बच्चों, आप बताओ और कौन कौन सी चीज़ें भेल बनाने के लिए हमें लगती है। स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ टीचर इज आस्किंग, टीचर इज सेइंग टू द स्टूडेंट्स इन द क्लास, what are the other things needed to make bhel? Students, tell me what are the things that we require to make bhel? Now students are answering. बच्चों, आप देख सकते हो टेक्स्ट बुक में 3 स्टूडेंट्स बैठे हैं, फर्स्ट बॉय, सेकेंड बॉय और थर्ड गर्ल। फर्स्ट बॉय बोल रहा है टमाटोज, सेकेंड बॉय बोल रहा है ऑनियंस, थर्ड गर्ल बोल रही है कोरिएंडर लीव्स। नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, बच्चों, आपको पता है भेल बनाने के लिए क्या क्या लगता है? तो हमने फर्स्ट देखा था कुरमुरा, पफ्ड राइस, सेकेंड इट वाज फरसान। नाउ द बॉय इज सेइंग टमाटो, ऑनियन, टमाटो यानी टमाटर, ऑनियन यानी प्याज, कांदा, कोरिएंडर लीव्स, कोरिएंडर लीव्स मतलब धनिया की पत्ती, जो हरे धनिए की पत्ती होती है, जिसे हम कोतमीर कहते हैं हिंदी में, लैंग्वेज में धनिया की पत्ती, कोरिएंडर लीव्स उसे इंग्लिश में कहा जाता है। नाउ द टीचर इज सेइंग, नाउ टेल मी हु वुड लाइक टू ब्रिंग चॉप्ड टमेटोज एंड ऑनियंस। नाउ टीचर इज सेइंग टू द स्टूडेंट्स, tell me that who is going to bring chopped tomatoes and onions। बच्चों, CHOPPED chopped का मतलब होता है पीसेस में कट किया हुआ। तो टीचर कह रही है बच्चों से कि बच्चों, मुझे बताओ कि कौन कौन कटा हुआ टमाटर, प्याज और हरा धनिया लाएगा। Now students, you can see there one student is raising the hand. Teacher, I would like to bring chopped onions। एक बच्चे ने अपना हाथ ऊपर किया है, वो कह रहा है टीचर, मैं कटा हुआ प्याज यानी कांदे, ऑनियंस लेकर आऊँगा। The other student is saying, teacher, I would like to bring chopped tomatoes। दूसरा बच्चा जो बैठा हुआ है वो कह रहा है टीचर, मैं कटे हुए टमेटोस लाऊंगा यानी टमाटर। नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, टर्न योर पेज, कम टू पेज नंबर 28। Now you can see the teacher, what the teacher is saying. And who would like to bring chopped coriander leaves? अब टीचर कह रही है स्टूडेंट से कि अब मुझे बताओ कि कोरिएंडर लीव्स यानी धनिया की पत्ती जिससे हम कहते हैं कोतमीर, वो कौन लाएगा? द स्टूडेंट इज पॉइंटिंग आउट द फिंगर, रेजिंग हैंड. यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर अ गर्ल इज रेजिंग अ हैंड. टीचर, आई वुड लाइक टू ब्रिंग चॉप्ड कोरिएंडर लीव्स. अब आप देख सकते हो पिक्चर में गर्ल ने अपने फिंगर ऊपर किए हैं और कह रही है टीचर, मैं कोरिएंडर लीव्स यानी धनिया के पत्ते लेकर आऊँगी. नाउ टीचर इज सेइंग, वंडरफुल चिल्ड्रेन, आई वुड लाइक टू ब्रिंग salt, lemon juice, a big bowl, spoons and plates. Now students, you can see the teacher is also enjoying. Wonderful, she is telling. Wonderful means she is very happy. She is expressing herself. Children, I would like to bring salt. Now teacher is saying कि I would like to bring salt, lemon juice, a big bowl, spoons and plates. बच्चों, अब टीचर कह रही है खुशी से, वंडरफुल, बहुत ही अच्छा, मैं अपने घर से सॉल्ट यानी नमक लाऊंगी, लेमन जूस यानी नींबू लेकर आऊंगी, नींबू का रस, अ बिग बिग बाउल सबको पता है जिसमें हम भेल मिक्स करेंगे, स्पून्स यानी चम्मच, प्लेट्स यानी थाली. तो ये टीचर अपने घर से लेकर आएगी और बाकी स्टूडेंट्स सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स लेकर आएंगे. यमी, यू कैन सी द फेस, यमी फेस, स्माइली फेस विथ अ टंग. यस, यमी. ये, व्हाट फन. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स आर enjoying. Yes or no students? Yes. Definitely, if the school would be there, I would have said you all to bring the materials from your home and we would have prepared in the class, and you will like it to prepare and you might have enjoyed preparing the bhel in the class, because with the friends, with the help of the teacher in the class, it is more fun to prepare. Yes or no students? So you can see the students raising their hands. Yay, what fun. Now students are enjoying. So this was our lesson, let's speak. So let us have a look to the ingredients required to prepare bhel. बच्चों, यहाँ पे हमारा लेसन फिनिश हुआ, चैप्टर. अब हम देखेंगे भेल बनाने के लिए कौन कौन से इंग्रेडिएंट्स यानी कौन कौन से सामान लगते हैं. सो स्टूडेंट्स, टू प्रिपेयर भेल वी रिक्वायर द फॉलोइंग इंग्रेडिएंट्स. You can see puffed rice in a bowl. Yes or no? Yes. Puffed rice means kurmura. Then we required sev, that is comes in the farsan also. You can add tomatoes, chopped onions and lemon, coriander leaves, peanuts, boiled potatoes, chaat masala and also red chili powder, and also there are some dry puris and raw chopped mangoes. So in the lesson, the basic ingredient that we have studied was the puffed rice, chopped tomato, chopped onion, lemon juice, coriander leaves, farsan and salt. So these are the things that you require to prepare bhel. Now students, you are going to prepare the bhel at your home. You can see the picture of a bhel, and I hope everyone knows how to prepare bhel. We have to mix all the ingredients properly and the bhel is ready. Students, now open your combined book number 2. Navjeevan combined book. Let us see some questions from this lesson. Let's speak. बच्चों, आपकी combined book open करो. इस lesson से, chapter से हम questions है वो देखेंगे. Open your page number 21. First one is keywords, that is meaning. Chopped, 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 to cut into pieces. Chopped means to cut into pieces. बच्चों, मैंने लेसन में बताया chopped मतलब छोटे छोटे बारीक पीसेस में काटने को कहते हैं chopped. फरसान, ड्राई स्नैक. फरसान मीन्स ड्राई स्नैक्स, सूखा स्नैक्स यानी जिसे हम कहते हैं हिंदी में नमकीन. Oral, answer aloud the following question. Which is your favorite snack? Now students, now you will say which is your favorite snack. There are many favorite snack. Yes or no? Second one is, did you prepare any food snack on your own? Now the question is asked, did you prepare any food snack on your own? Now you might have the answer yes or no. Now let us see the classwork. Answer the following in one word. What is the teacher and students preparing in class? Now this is very easy. The teacher and students are preparing bhel in class. The answer is the teacher and students are preparing bhel in class. Now students, turn your page number 22. 22 page number. Name the ingredients required for preparing bhel. Ingredients यानी things. बच्चों, ingredients यानी सामान, सूची कि आपको भेल बनाने के लिए कौन कौन से सामान की ज़रूरत है. Answer is puffed kurmura, puffed rice also we can tell, but I have written kurmura because you can understand it very well. Farsan, chopped onions, tomatoes, coriander leaves, salt, lemon juice. These all are the ingredients required to prepare bhel. Question number 2. Begin the sentence using I would like to. बच्चों, अब इस क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में I would like to आपको सभी सेंटेंस में यूज़ करते हुए लिखना है. I would like to solve the sums. First one. Second, I would like to feed the dog. Third one, I would like to enact in a play. I would like to give a helping hand. D1. Fourth one. And the last E1, I would like to play in the rain. Question number 3. Let's remember. Tick the materials required for preparing bhel. बच्चों, भेल बनाने के लिए कौन कौन से मटेरियल्स की ज़रूरत होती है उस पर आपको टिक करना है. The first material is apple. Apple is required? No. Cauliflower? No. Third one is tomato. Yes. So put a tick mark on tomato. Chili, green chili. Yes, it is required. We can chop and use the chilies. The next is onion. Yes, it is required. The down you can see coriander leaves. Yes, it is required. The next farsan, it is required. Put a tick mark. Carrot, no. Lemon juice, lemon, yes. Put a tick mark. And the last one is puffed rice. It means kurmura. Put a tick mark. So here, let us have a look to page number 23. Activity, let's have a treat. Making sandwich. Now in the same way you can make the sandwich also at your home. You can try to make bhel and sandwich. So it is a small activity. What will you need? 2 slices of bread, 1 cube of butter, 1 small sachet of jam. Now to prepare sandwich, it is very easy. What is required, students? You require bread, 2 slices of bread, 1 cube of butter and a small sachet means a small packet of jam. Method. Take 2 slices of bread. Now how to prepare it is written here. Take 2 slices of bread. Spread jam on one and butter over the other. In the one slice of bread, spread the jam, and in the other, spread the butter. Second, place the bread slice one over another. Now you have to join the 2 slices one over another. Yummy bread jam sandwich is ready to eat. Now your bread jam sandwich is ready. So students, we have completed our lesson chapter number 2.7, Let's Speak. So at your home there is an activity for all students. You are going to prepare the bhel by yourself, and you will try to prepare the bhel by the ingredients. Very less ingredients are required to prepare the bhel, and you try to prepare and enjoy eating bhel. I hope so you have liked today's lesson chapter number 7 2.7 Let's Speak, and you have understood the lesson well. So stay connected for the next online lecture. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you, students.